Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So I just want to give a quick commentary regarding the trading towards the end month. Now this is the dollar index, the monthly time frame. You can see 1M, the monthly time frame. Now in as much as yes, we always have the capping of the weekly range, we also anticipate the capping of the monthly range. For a typical candlestick, for instance, this was a bullish month. We had the open, the low, the high at that particular point, the high, then the close, you anticipate somewhere there. So in as much as yes, we are bullish, we always anticipate to buy below the monthly opening or near, and as if you are bullish and sell above or near the monthly opening if you are bearish. For this case, you are bullish, so the month open at this particular point dropped lower, made a high, then it is closing somewhere here. So this is the dollar index. Now we always anticipate the capping of the monthly ranges also towards the end of the month or the last week of the month. So it was bad of us not checking which day are we trading into of the month. So that's why there was a sell-off in the dollar index, and we're anticipating at least bullish foreign currencies. That's why GBP USD and the Euro USD at least were bullish, because it is always inversely correlated with the benchmark, which is the dollar index. So this is the graphic depiction of it. This is the typical monthly candle, bullish. You have the open, the low, the high, then the close. So at least for after the market made a high, the dollar index, it dropped at least for the capping of the weekly range, at least to fulfill the typical candlestick formation. So it makes sense. That's why we saw at least the foreign currencies rallying. Now for the Euro NZD, it is still bullish. It is still bullish. I was anticipating the liquidity that is residing. Let me now use the daily time frame, because I frame from the daily time frame. The liquidity that is residing above the short-term high to be taken out. So this is the 15 minutes time frame of which the market is still moving, well, in as much as it dwindled towards near our entry, so it never hit SL. But for those who locked in profits quite early, you are taken out at break even, but it's still within the realm. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, that is it.